Now, be honest, how many of you looked at the thumbnail and saw the Molly for nothing and then just in your mind said, and your chicks for free, or just started going doo, 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 doo. You know what I mean? Comment down below if you did. Be honest. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made a DIY Cubby box Molle accessory panel. I recently found a accessory panel specifically for the Land Rover Defender Cubby box. It was CNC laser cut out of, I don't know what it was, titanium, aluminium, steel, not sure what it was, powder coated, looked really nice, really good. It had all the little Molle attachments to be able to clip your torches and knives and stuff like that on, but it was 50 quid, and I just can't justify spending £50, especially when I have this and this to sort out. So what I decided to do was go through my scrap pile where I found some bits of batten, and I also have this metal mesh which I actually took out of the back of the Land Rover, because this is an ex-mountain rescue, and I had loads of this stuff in the back, which is where they used to hang all the rucksacks, oxygen tanks, ropes, carabiners, you name it. That's what they used to carry all the gear in the back. So I used some of that, cut it to size, and what I did is I drilled holes all around the edges of the batten. I then sort of cut the mesh to a certain size so I had a little bit sticking up that will push into the holes, pulled it all in with clamps, and then secured it with glue and nails. Give it a bit of a respray, sanded it down, give it a bit of a spray, and this is what I've come up with. And you know what? I'm actually quite pleased with it. Is it as good as the CNC one that's 50 quid? No, probably not. But will it do for me? Oh yes, definitely. Nice little project, cost me absolutely nothing because I had everything to hand, and yeah, I think it works quite well. I've got loads of these Velcro straps, got loads of these, and they're perfect for just putting round the mesh, and I can use it to hold whatever I want. So you can see there I've got a torch, which at night, if I ever need to go in the Cubby box, I can just switch on the torch and it lights up the Cubby box. I've got my Leatherman, I've just got a key there for my steering wheel lock. I could put anything I like on there. I'm just going to play with it now, see how I get on, and if I find anything else that I think might fit on there, I'll offer it up, see if it fits, and if it does, it'll be ending up on there. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. So let me know what you think in the comments. So I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, then please do hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.